Good afternoon, everyone. Now we have to discuss about comfort devices in meeting needs of patient. These comfort devices are also important for 5 marks question in final examination. What is meant by comfort devices? These are the mechanical devices planned to provide optimal comfort to an individual. What is meant by comfort? Absence of irritating stimuli that distract one's attention from the task at hand. Absence of irritating stimuli. That is comfort. Comfort devices means these are the mechanical devices planned to provide optimal comfort of an individual. To an individual. Comfort is concerned with rest, with exercise, with the relation of one part of the body to another, with the bed and the whole environment. Comfort is a phase of every procedure as it is an aspect of the total care of the patient. These devices relieve the discomfort and help in maintaining correct posture. Various comfort devices are used for giving comfort to the patients, such as pillows, backrest, bed cradle, cardiac table, mattress, trapeze bar, footboard, trochanter rolls, sandbags, side rails. These are the comfort devices. And knee rest, bed blocks, air cushion, rubber cotton rings, hand rolls. Pillows. First one, pillows. Used for support to maintain correct body alignment. And these pillows are used under head, arms, legs and along spine or abdomen to provide comfort. What is the main purpose? To promote comfort, prevent discomfort, and the patient has rest, and to assist the patient to obtain an adequate sleep to meet his requirement to maintain correct posture. And this is pillows. What is backrest? Support patient's back at an angle so that he may maintaining a sitting position. Extra pillows are needed, we must be keep, and arms of patient are well supported. And in case of any pulmonary distress or cardiac used for patient suffering, we must use these pillows under the back. What is the purpose? To relieve dyspnea. Dyspnea means lack of breath. To promote drainage from abdominal cavity and to provide a comfortable change of position. This is the backrest. The person lying comfortably on the table. Supported devices. These are the supported devices. And next one, bed cradle. It is a frame used to hold the bed linen from touching the patient. May be made of wood or bamboo. Okay, this may be made with wood or bamboo. And next one, what is the purpose? To prevent pressure from the weight of linen to allow air to circulate around lower limbs. This is bed cradle. Okay, to allow circulation to the lower limbs. And after that, cardiac table. Bed table placed in front with a pillow on it. Patient can lean forward and take rest. Table without pillow is used for writing and meals. Okay. If pillow placed in front of the table means the patient can lean forward and take rest. If no pillow means in meal time or anything the patient would write, in that time we have to remove that pillow. Use it for patients with cardiac conditions and asthma. In cardiac conditions and asthma patients, we must use this cardiac table and back pillows are there. Position should be changed to relieve fatigue. We must relieve that weakness, so we have to change the positions of the patient. What is the main purpose? Helps to take meals and any writing and can rest over the table. This is cardiac table. Okay. And after that, mattresses, air mattresses, water mattresses. Purpose: to provide comfort, used for very thin and very obese patients and those who are prone to pressure sores. And this is air mattress and water mattress, who are prone to get these pressure sores, bedridden patients, pressure ulcers or diabetic ulcers. In that patients, we must use these air mattresses or water mattresses to prevent bed sores. Trapeze bar. Bar is suspended from an overhead frame to head of bed. What is the purpose? Main, patient can grasp the bar to raise the trunk of the bed surface or to move up in bed. This is trapeze bar. This is the exercise. For exercise, we already seen in safety devices trapeze. Okay. And next one, footboard. Device that is placed towards the foot of patient's bed to serve as support for his feet. Usually made up of wood, plastic or heavy canvas. What is the purpose? Main purpose to support patient's feet and to prevent foot drop. This is footboard. Okay, to prevent foot drop and to support patient's feet. And next one, sandbags. Sandbags are canvas, rubber or plastic bags filled with sand. The sandbags which are plastic which are filled with sand and are 1, 5 and 10 lbs in weight. The sandbag should be 1 lb or 5 or 10 in weight. Sandbags are used to immobilize a part, used to immobilize the extremities and maintain specific body alignment. It provides support and shape to body. And this is sandbags. Okay, these sandbags mainly filled with sand, 1, 5, 10 lbs in weight. And next one, side rails. Already we seen. Once we go, side rails. Side rails are the bars positioned along the sides of the length of the bed. What is the purpose? To increasing mobility, to provide assistance in rolling from side to side or sitting up in bed. Okay, and to prevent fall. This is side rails. And after that, knee rest. This is a device placed under the knees to provide comfort. Main purpose, relaxation, thus relieves pain on tendons beneath the knees. This is knee rest. In tendon or any knees pain, we must keep this knee rest under the legs. After that, bed blocks made up of wood or metal. Bed blocks made up of wood or metal or electronic. The bed cradles support and take off the weight of the bedding. These are the bed blocks. Main purpose is used to prevent the top cloth is coming in contact with the patients, especially in burns patient. We must use these bed blocks to apply heat in case of drying plaster cast. And electronic bed cradles are used to supply the desired warmth in the case of shock. This is bed blocks. Okay, to prevent shock and to arrest hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means bleeding. To control that bleeding or to retain enema. And after spinal anesthesia or any tonsillectomy cases, and to provide traction to position in postural drainage. In that cases, these are the main purposes in blood blocks. And after that, these bed blocks are made up of wood size, may be high or low. These are placed under the foot of bed or various regions. And cushions, air cushions, are round in shape. These are round in shape and made with rubber. This can be inflated with air. These are used to take off the weight of the body. Air cushion should not be applied directly in contact with skin. They should have a cover. The air cushion must have a cover. Should not apply directly on the skin. Okay. What is the main purpose? To relieve pressure on certain parts of the body, or it provides relaxation as it yields to shift of body weight and it relieves pressure on certain parts of the body. Okay, use it to take off the weight of the body and to relieve pressure. This is air cushion. And after that, rubber and cotton rings. Rubber or cotton rings. Air rings are made up of rubber. The air ring is inflated about half full, tested for leakage covered and placed under the patient's hip in such a way that the value is on one side and not in contact with body. Cotton rings are made wrapped with bandage. These are placed under the bony prominence such as heels and fastened in place if necessary. What is the main purpose? To prevent bed sores and to prevent direct pressure on bony prominences, and it improves the circulation. This is main. Rubber and cotton rings. These are the circular rings made of rubber cotton. What is the main purpose? To prevent bed sores and to prevent direct pressure on bony prominences and to improve the circulation. This is rubber rings. Next one, hand rolls made of folding a washcloth in half. Roll is placed against palmar surface of hand, and after that maintain thumb in slightly erected and in opposition to fingers. Maintain fingers in slightly flexed position. Okay, in flexed position. This is hand rolls. This is comfort devices. What are they? There are pillows, backrest, sandbags, bed cradles, bed blocks, footrest, backrest, pillows, air cushions, rubber and cotton rings, air and water mattress, and knee rest. These are all the comfort measures which are used to relieve the patient and provide comfort to the patient. Okay, thank you.